Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Asana's custom rule builder quickly and easily. First, open your browser and log into Asana with your email and password. Once you're on the home page, select a project where you want to add custom rules. Next, open your project and click Customize on the right-hand side. This opens a panel with options to tailor your project. Look for Add Component and select Rule. Now click Create Custom Rule. Start by setting a trigger, which is the condition that activates the rule. This could be a task being completed, a due date being set, or any event that fits your workflow. After that, define the action. What happens when the trigger occurs? Then set the destination status to decide where the task should go once the action is executed. Finally, review your trigger, action, and destination settings. If everything looks correct, click Publish Rule to activate your automation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.